Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you very quickly how to fix an item or a listing that is inactive or stranded on Amazon. And no matter what you do, you can't seem to get it to be active again on Amazon. So without further ado, let's get into it and I'll show you the two tricks that I use to fix this, and it fixes it 99.9% of the time. So let me switch over to my talking head. The first thing you want to do is, if you've got stranded inventory on your dashboard, you should have something like here where it says your FBA inventory without active offers, and you can click on the fix stranded inventory button. And if you do that, you just want to go down to the listing that is stranded, click ticket, and on the action drop down on the top left hand side here, just click on one click relist, and then that should hopefully fix it within a few hours, 24 hours at most. However, the best way that I found to fix it is by going to your inventory, and I do apologize that a lot of this is blanked out because these are my active listings. So once you've gone to your inventory page, you're going to want to go to the listing that is inactive. I'm just taking this one as an example. Okay, and go all the way to the far right hand side of that item and click the edit button. Now that will open up a new tab, and inside of here you're going to see all the details for that product. You're going to want to go over to the product details page, and by the way, if you see this safety and compliance thing pop up, this is also another good way to get the listing reactivated. So one thing you can do, if this pops over and it asks if you need batteries or not, and you select no, then click, once it's validated, you can click save and finish, and it hopefully should fix the listing. Essentially what this does is resets the listing for you. However, if that isn't an option, go over to product details, scroll down and look for the product description. Okay, and what you're going to want to do here is, it should be one of two views. It'll be this view or it'll be a larger box. And what you're going to want to do is either add a space in here, okay, or if it won't allow you to add a space, you can just add an X, okay? And then you're going to want to scroll down and save that. And what that'll do essentially is reset that listing in your inventory. And even though you're not actually submitting this information for a product, unless of course you own the listing, then it will basically just reset the listing. It won't change the description, and it will fix the listing for you, and it will now be active within 20 to 30 minutes, maybe an hour or so. Okay guys, hope you found that useful, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.